everyone. Alam nyo guys, andito na naman ako sa aming piggery. So, sana wag kayo magsabang manood sa aking mga video. Alam nyo guys, ngayon ay may konting nakaramdaman ng aking mga alaga. Yung mga durok namin ay inuubo. So, gagamutin ko guys ang kanilang ubo ngayon. Ngayon ay pangatlong araw na guys, pero hindi ko na i-vlog nung unang pero ito yung pangatlong araw na at last sa pagbibigay ko ng gamot sa kanila. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys ang kanilang gamot sa kanilang ubo. Napaka-effective guys. So, ito guys ang gamot na ibibigay ko sa kanila. Yung toxicity. Ayan guys, ayan. Yan ang ipa-ano ko sa kanila. Kalahating niya, sachet lang. Ito guys ay pang-ubo. Ito ang pangatlong araw, so it's the last. Alam nyo guys, nung first day, nag-stop na ang kanilang pag-ubo. Kaya, ang advice ng technician, kumpletohin yung 3 days. At lagyan ko rin guys ng ganito para kainin nila. Haluan ko guys ng madre d'agua para inumin nila yung tubig. Ito yung pang-top. So, this is the vitamin that I give to them guys. Ayan. Vitamin Pro. Itong Vitamin Pro guys ay kompleto na ito. Kaya, at hindi rin ito binibigay sa everyday you can. You have to give this 3 times a week. Para hindi sila gaano. Kasi ito, kompleto na ito guys. Ito ay may pang anti-stress din. May minerals, vitamin at protein. Tsaka marami pang ginagamot ito. May zinc pa yata ito and everything is here. So, you have to give 1 spoon only. Tablespoon ito. Ito guys ay maganda sa ating mga alaga. Lalo na pag ganitong cold weather, has to be their body strong. Ito guys yung for the coughing ito. This. Nilagyan ko guys ng madre d'agua. Mas effective siya sa. Alam nyo guys ito, this medicine for coughing is only 1 time I give for the first day. They stop it. They stop coughing. But I have to continue for 3 days. Ayan. At ito rin yung vitamins, haluan ko rin ng madre d'agua para kainin nila at saka inumin nila yung sabaw. Kasi pagbibigay mo lang na tubig, yun na inumin. Ayan, alam mo yung mga baboy is very maarte. So, you have to give them a prank, like a prank madre d'agua. O, diba? Ayan. So, the one I give today guys is the medicine for coughing and vitamins for them. So that they will save for the weather. Kasi napakalamig. Kaya para mabigyan ng konting lakas ang kanilang katawan. To make them healthy and strong. So guys, this is the pig that they have coughing. 2 of them have coughing. This brown. And that one, the one have belt in the body, in the neck. Yang dalawa yan guys. Itong dalawa na ito ang itong brown tsaka ito may ubo. They have coughing. So this is the one guys that I give to them. Ito yung doxylin at tsaka inaluan ko ng madre d'agua para inumin nila. Dalawa lang guys ang may ubo dyan, pero bigyan mo na silang lahat para make sure na they are stopped for coughing. But once I give them first day, they stop immediately the coughing. So I have to complete the 3 days because that's the technician advice. Napaka-effective guys, very effective this medicine. Especially yung mix madre de agua. Ayan. Sumasalida na ang kanilang mga katawan. Lalo na yan. Yan ang kinis ng balat. Saka ito. Alam nyo guys, ito ay mga rural. They're very good breed also. So you have to be careful for them. So ito na yung vitamins guys. Yung multivitamins. Bibigay ko din sa kanila. Ayan. Pero ang bibigyan ko lang guys itong mga partner ko muna kasi I give already medicine for the grounder. In the night I will give them vitamins when they eat dinner. Only this for I give them to the now kasi tapos na silang kumain. The vitamins guys, you have to give before or after their eating. Before or after lunch like that. Kasi para mainom nila ng husto. Kasi sayang naman itong gamot pag hindi nila inumin. Inumin nila yan kasi may halong madre de agua. Alam nyo guys, itong mga baboy ko nasanay na sila sa madre de agua. Kahit sa tubig nila, hinahaluan ko. I have to mix them. And water, I mix madre de agua, even their food. Every time what I give, there is madre de agua to mix so that they eat. They love it. You know guys, this one is I use also for my chicken. This is the maintenance of my chicken also, this one. Vitamin Pro. Every time I give to the water, I put drops of this, like pins of, to make a bit red and, you know, maintenance ito maganda sa ating mga alaga guys. Tsaka ito, yung Doxylin ito yung pang ubo. Ito yung recommend ng technician sa akin. Napaka-effective ito guys. Haluan nyo lang ng madre de agua pag maglalagay kayo ng ganito. Napaka-effective. One time only you give this one, it be good your pig. Kalahati lang guys, half pack only of this you give. And the other day again, you give the half pack for 1 liter of water. Ayan. So, that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.